deeper you get, the warmer it is. From Haiti and the bottom of Rosa to around Ukiah. So the breeze is going to keep Richmond and Berkeley and also late sunshine in the 60s.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
All right, picking up where we left off, we've got low to mid 70s for the